Is it really the killing machine? I can say that for me, it's just been an old friend that I've had for a long time. The killing machine? Not for me. Actually, this was the first handgun I ever bought, about 20 years ago. Getting back to this article here in Bloomberg Business Week, which was related to the Arizona shootings. Of course, this is notorious large capacity magazine referred to in the article, which holds 32 rounds plus one in the chamber. Surprisingly, as I read this article, it actually was reasonably fair. For the most part, it didn't really take a political stand one way or the other. Simply mentioning Glock's rise to fame over the years and how it developed and the backstory of Gaston Glock and how it's become, well, as it says, America's gun, which I suppose to a large extent is true. This isn't really a review of the gun itself. There are better videos than mine for that. I just wanted people to get a look at the killing machine. I'm not really here to get into the gun debate, because if you're watching this channel, most likely you're on one side, probably the same side that I'm on. It's a matter of freedom, and of course I don't want to get into all of that. It's just that when I saw this article a few months ago, well, at first I feared what it might say, but as I said, it was a reasonably fair article. But to me, it's really just an old friend, as I said before. And I know maybe that's silly to say that about a gun. Here's a view that most people are not comfortable with. A view of the sights, sort of unorthodox in its time, although many people have looked down these sights over the years. So, the killing machine, well, I suppose in the wrong hands it could be. But I just wanted to chime support for the old 19. I can say old now because it's been around for a while. And to me, it's something I trust my life to. And instead of taking life, for me, this gun is about preserving it.